Welcome to another video of Chess in Minutes. In this video, we'll cover the end game and give you tips. In the end game, your king becomes a powerful piece. You will have to move it to the center and use it to attack. I will cover two checkmating patterns to help with your end game. King and queen against the king. In this position, you have to use your king to trap the enemy king on the edge and then checkmate with the help of your king. Shown in this video, you should not let stalemate happen. If you go here, it's a stalemate. That's why we go here. Now the king will just wait for the white king to arrive. Now it's checkmate, which is unescapable. Our second checkmating pattern will be king and rook against the king. We will have to push the enemy king back using our rook, then deliver checkmate. Let's show it. The king tries to capture the rook, but the rook has to run away. And now, if the black king and the white king opposes in this position, we will have to move rook one file upper. They will have to go here. We again capture a line here. Now they will have to just try to capture it. They will try to take our rook again, but we don't let that happen. Now we do here. Now they don't want to go here because it's checkmate. Now they will have to go here. We run back. They don't have any other position. It's a forced checkmate. Delivered by the rook. Now let's talk about pawn promotion in the endgame. Simply, if you have a pawn, you have to push it by the help of king and let it become a queen to checkmate the opponent. Let's start. They go here, we go here, and now they have to move back. We do this, we do this. They have to move here, and then we just made a waiting move. They have to move apart. They will move apart. This, and now the best thing they can do here is to move to e7. Well, we again make a waiting move. Now they will fall apart and let us make a queen, and now it's an absolute win as I showed you before. The end game is all about precision. Keep practicing and you'll become a stronger player. Thanks for watching.